friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and it's Saturday, so that means it's time for Saturday Showcase. If you're new to my channel, Saturday Showcase is where I share all the creations from the week. This week I almost didn't do a Saturday Showcase, but I figured why not? So I only have 3 cards to share, but it's 3 cards to share. So first up, I have this pretty foiled Christmas card from the Kendra's Card Challenge Super Sponsor Hop with Pink and Maine products. I just love how sparkly and shiny it turned out with that foiling. There's the inside. And then I also did this one on that video. Again, these are using Kendra's Card Challenge number 12. There is a video up on my channel. Just so much fun. Believe in the magic of the season. Those cute elves. They have sparkle on them. And then on Monday for the Newton's Nook Inky Paws Challenge, we had a fun sketch. And so I created this fun card using the stamp set Newton's Sick Day. Hope you're feline better soon. Thought that would be a cheerful card for someone a little bit under the weather. And there's the inside. So there are my 3 cards for this week. I have not been crafting. Well, I have a video going up in a few hours for another super sponsor hop with Kendra's Card Challenge. I haven't been crafting. I'm not entirely sure if next week there will be enough cards to do a Saturday Showcase, but if I do not do one, there will be a post in my community tab. So that's what I've got for you today. Why don't you go do something for yourself and go get crafty, and until my next video, bye.